For today's video, we're going to Mainit, Balogo Beach. Come on, let's go! We're here at Mainit, Balogo Beach! Hey everyone! Today, we were diving deep into the fascinating world of weathering, erosion, and soil! The powerful forces of nature that shape our Earth's surface. Come on, let's go! Hello everyone, my name is Rizal. I'm here to discuss to you what is mechanical weathering. So mechanical weathering is a process which rocks and minerals are broken down into smaller pieces without any changes of their chemical composition. This one are example of mechanical weathering.
Mechanical weathering, also known as physical weathering, is a type of weathering occurs through physical forces such as temperature changes, frost actions, pressure from plant roots, and abrasion from wind and water.
So what are those human impact that affects mechanical weathering? Come on, let's find out. Hi guys, I'm Andrea. I'm here to show some footage illustrating how human activities can speed up the mechanical weathering process.
The mining operations, construction and development, road construction and maintenance and deforestation, and land clearing are the example of human impacts that affects mechanical weathering. By these impacts can speed up the process of mechanical weathering.
That is why we have erosion, which is one fractures or separations in rock mass because of some common causes of stress and tectonic forces, temperature changes, and the weight of overlying rock layers.
I hope you learn about mechanical weathering. So let's move on to chemical weathering. By the way, I'm Mary Grace and I'm going to explain to you about chemical weathering. So chemical weathering is a process by which rocks and minerals are broken down through chemical reaction that alter their composition. This type of weathering occurs when minerals and rock react with water, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other substance in environment. So as we can see here in this rock, there's a lot of hole. So through chemical weathering, it weakens the structure of the rock. But did you guys know what are those human impact that also affects chemical weathering? Come on, let's find out what are those.
Hi, I'm Marian. I will discuss to you how human actions contribute to accelerate chemical weathering.
The pollution from industries and vehicles, chemical runoff from agricultural practices, and improper disposal of chemical waste.
Also acid rain, which contains sulfuric and nitric acid formed from pollutants in the atmosphere, accelerate chemical weathering by reacting with rocks and minerals.
Well, that makes sense, so that we have hydrolysis rock that undergo chemical weathering.
Now, let's explore biological weathering, where living organisms play a role in breaking down rocks. Think of tree roots snaking into cracks or burrowing animals chipping away at rock surfaces. So here's the example of biological weathering. This process is common in areas rich in plant and animal life, such as forests, and can be disrupted by human activities like deforestation and urbanization. Well, did you guys know what are those human impact that affects biological weathering?
I'm going to talk to you what are those human biological human activities can impact biological weathering in various ways. For example, deforestation can reduce the presence of plant roots that help breaking down rock, leading to a decrease in biological weathering.
To prevent this negative impact on biological weathering, we can promote sustainable practice like deforestation and reduce pollution to protect organisms and birds.
Hey everyone, I'm going to discuss to you what is erosion. What comes into your mind when you hear erosion? Maybe you think about landslide. Yes, you're right. Landslide is considered as erosion, known as mass wasting.
Mass wasting is a downslope movement of rock, soil and debris under the influence of gravity, and landslides involve the rapid movement of the material downslope.
Here are some definition of erosion. The process of wearing away rocks and soil by natural forces like water, wind, and ice. But did you guys know what are those human impacts that also affects erosion? Come on, let's find out what are those.
Hi, I'm Mariel. I will show you what are human impacts that affect erosion. The human activities such as deforestation, overgrazing, improper agricultural practices, construction, and mining can accelerate soil erosion.
To prevent soil erosion from human activities, it is essential to implement conservation measures like reforestation, sustainable agriculture practices, reducing overgrazing, and controlling construction activities.
Finally, let's talk about soil, the lifeblood of our ecosystem. Soil is the complex mixture of organic matter, minerals, and organisms that support plant growth, from clay soil to sand soil and loamy soil. It is the variety of outstanding.
Human activities like agriculture and urban development can degrade soil quality through erosion and pollution, highlighting the delicate balance we must maintain.
Hi, I'm Jonas Sinoy. Let me discuss to you what are the importance of soil.
Importance of soil. Its significance lies in providing essential nutrients for plant growth, anchoring roots securely, regulating water absorption and distribution, and serving as a habitat for a wide range of organisms that contribute to ecosystem health and balance. Maintaining healthy soil is vital for sustaining plant life, preventing erosion, and preserving the intricate web of life with ecosystem.
But what are those the human impact that affect the soil?
Human activities such as deforestation, unsustainable agricultural practices, urbanization, industrial activities, and pollution can have detrimental effects on soil health.
Deforestation removes vital vegetation cover that helps protect soil from erosion and maintains its structure. Unsustainable agricultural practices like excessive tilling, heavy pesticide and fertilizer use, and monocropping can deplete soil nutrients, degrade its quality, and increase erosion risk. Urbanization and industrial activities can lead to soil compaction, contamination with chemicals and heavy metals, and loss of natural soil biodiversity.
Thank you for joining us to this journey. Until next time, bye-bye! Astikon!